Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can create milestones for your projects and tasks on Asana. So let us get started right away. Head over to your Asana workspace and here on the left panel, guys, select My Tasks to get a better overview of your ongoing or already completed tasks and milestones. So what we want to do, guys, is create a completely new task and convert it later into milestone. Let me show you how to do that. It is actually no rocket science. Start by clicking on that button here to create your task / milestone and give your milestone a name. So let me name it, for example, milestone number 2 or number 3. And after that, you may customize and edit your milestone by clicking on that arrow to the right icon here, details. And here simply go through the customization, set a due date, for example, add assignees to the given milestone, set it on or make it go public, upload files, attach files to the given milestone by clicking on that button, add subtasks, and so on and so forth, describe the given milestone. However, guys, before you do that, you may convert the given task into a milestone. To do that, click on these three dots in the top right, and from that menu below, over your mouse over Convert To, and switch from task to milestone. And that's it. As you can see, milestone 3 has been marked or was marked as a milestone. So the checkbox next to it has changed from that circle check mark to that square check mark, guys. So now that is an indicator that the given task is now a milestone, and you may mark it as complete, for example, by clicking on that checkbox here. And as previously mentioned, guys, you can customize your milestone the same way you customize and edit tasks. Go through the customization, add assignees, invite team members, set a due date for the given task or milestone. Let's say, for example, I would like to reach that milestone end of next month. So let me go with August 29th. You may set a recurring or repeating milestone if you like, and so on and so forth. You may also add the milestone to a different project or add dependencies, describe it here, add a subtask to the given milestone. Yeah, and that's basically it. You can leave it, for instance. You can attach files or documents, PDFs, instructions to it. And that's it, guys. That's how you create milestones for your workspace on Asana. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.